Oh my God. So let me tell you something. I'm dumb hungry, right? And there's nothing to eat but candy and Doritos. I really don't like to eat chips, man, dry. But I don't have no dip. So I put some barbecue sauce. Yo, I think I did something, bro. I really did something. That ass, if you got this shit in your house, try it. Like, I did something. This shit is really good. I'm not even lying. Shit dumb good. Y'all gonna love it. Try it and tell me. Tell me if I'm right.